We were told Rome fell to barbarians at the gates. We were lied to. The greatest empire in human history didn't lose a war. It lost its mind. And if you look closely at the world outside your window right now, you'll realize the rot has already started again. Imagine a city of gold and marble, 1,000 years of power, unstoppable. But look beneath the floorboards. The foundations aren't stone anymore. They're dust. Rome didn't collapse overnight. It rotted from the inside out. Rome didn't run out of gold. They poisoned it. To fund a failing system, they clipped the edges of their coins and mixed silver with scrap metal. They called it currency debasement. We call it inflation. When the money became a lie, the people stopped believing in the truth. Prices exploded. Trust vanished, and the economy began to suffocate. Politics became a blood sport. In just 50 years, Rome burned through over 20 emperors. Power wasn't earned through leadership, it was auctioned to the highest bidder, usually by the very guards meant to protect the law. When the seat of power is for sale, the nation is already dead. They stopped breeding lions and started hiring wolves. As luxury replaced discipline, Romans grew soft in their villas, paying strangers to bleed for them. But a man who fights for a paycheck will always surrender to the man who fights for a cause. Their greatest strength became their final weakness. History doesn't repeat, it echoes. Unbearable taxes? Leaders who fear their own people? A society that values comfort over strength? The barbarians didn't break down the doors of Rome. They walked through them, because no one was left who cared enough to lock them. Citizens didn't lose power, they gave it away. Rome didn't die with a bang, it died with a shrug. The question isn't how Rome fell. The question is, are we currently living in the year 475? If you aren't afraid yet, you aren't paying attention. History has a pattern. If you want to see where we're headed next, watch the next video, because some stories never change. Please don't forget to subscribe.